Yeah, our mission by working together with the DTI is to push the boundaries of automation and to test out what humanoid robots are really capable of. Vatmel Interface is the expert in electrical connection technology. What we try to figure out here is how humanoid robots might change the way of working within cabinet building in the future. For this specific case of wire harnessing, there's existing solutions already that fully automate this kind of processes, but the advantage of a humanoid robot might be to have a flexible solution. DTI has a great expertise within robotics, well known all over Europe. And especially what we were searching for is an expert of multiple different topics. So on the one hand there's robotics, but also image processing, coding, and that kind of combination was something we are searching for.
A lot of industrial tasks are created with humans in mind, since we originally had to do them. And since we have two hands, using a humanoid robot often makes it easier to develop a solution. When you have to move a box, use two hands, straighten a wire, use two hands, as opposed to single robot arms where you'd have to develop special tools to accomplish the same goal.